What's going on, you guys? Today I'm here to show you a little method about how to make money listening to audio files. It's called transcribing. If you didn't know, you can make a lot of money doing it. You can make thousands of dollars a month doing it. It could be your new online income. You wouldn't have to go anywhere else to work. You could do it all online. If you stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you a little trick to make it 3 times faster than if you are like me and try to actually type it out. So, without further ado, let me show you the first site. Well, is it going to come up? We got Scribie here. If you look here, you know, it says you can transcribe audio files right starting at 10 cents a minute. That's for people that's wanting you to do it. Here you see that, you know, you can make 10 cents a minute automated or 80 cents a minute manually. But turnaround's 36 hours. But in order to work for these people, you come all the way to the bottom, keep going, and it says down here at the bottom, transcribers. You click on it and you get to this window here. It says apply now. It's a home-based job, work at your own convenience, $5 to $25 an hour pay rate. Short files, 10 minutes or less, 2 hours to translate each file. Automated transcript, save around 60% typing effort. Monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. Then it gets into the introductions, requirements. Good comprehension of English, ability to interpret conversation, ability to apply context. Of course, they pay through PayPal, and there's your transcription process. You file split, then you raw, then you review it, proofread it, and quality check it. Make sure it's all right. And let's see what else we need to tell you. Potential earnings, if you only transcribe, you're looking at, you know, between $200 and $300 a month on this site. If you go all the way through reviews, proofreading, and quality control, you can earn up to $1,000 a month on this site. And to get started, you just hit apply. So on to the next one. You got Go Transcript. And on this one here, whenever it loads, you come, let me see if I remember. I think it's down here at the bottom on this one too. Yeah, here it is. For transcriptionists, you go to work. You go there, click on it, and you know, this one's worldwide. Watch the video. They pay competitive rates, 60 cents a minute for video ad. Average is $150 a month. Top earners earn about $1,200 a month. So if you did this and quality control and everything on the other one, you're looking at $2,200 there already a month. You know, you apply, you can get paid reliably, flexible work. You can grow your skills, choose your own projects, enjoy the variety of work. You can transcribe jobs online, stay busy, and then you got frequently asked questions, which of course I would suggest you go through. Make sure it's something that you want to do. And then the next one will be Rev.com. It's one of the more known sites. You know, if you want to work on the closed captioning for hearing impaired, you can do that. You can just transcribe regular video, or foreign subtitles if you're multi-language. As you can see, simple upfront pricing, secure online ordering, top quality guaranteed, which is the reason why people pick this company. And there again, you go to the bottom of the web page and you look for let me see, freelancers. That's what it is. Yeah, I know. I had to look for it too. So shoot me. But here you fill out your name, email, position, flexible work hours, hundreds of jobs, get paid weekly through PayPal. Average rates between 36 to 65 cents an hour, or a minute, I'm sorry. And for closed captioner, it's 45 to 75 cents. You take a quick quiz and demonstrate your English language grammar skills. Submit transcription or caption sample. And if you meet the requirements, you'll be able to register and start earning within 48 hours. If you know a foreign language though, now this is where it really gets exciting. You can make $1.50 to $3 a minute. Yeah, that's a lot of money, people, if you add that up. You figure $3 a minute, that's $180 an hour. But anyway, to the next one, which will be to transcribe me. Which of course my computer's wanting to run real slow, so there we go. You see here, it's secure and confident. It's great for technology, market research, consulting, medical, education, translation. Choose a service, and you know, you go down here at the bottom of this one like you do on all of them, and you find the button that states well, let's see, how does this one work? We're looking blog, translation, transcription. No, that'd be join as a transcriptionist. That's where you go. Why didn't y'all tell me that? I know I look like an idiot, but that's okay. Shows you ain't got to be the smartest bulb in the bunch to do this. It says join our team to operate the best work quality work from home sites. And in case y'all are wondering why we're doing all this, is for SEO purposes. Because even though I'm showing you how to do it, without text on a website, Google don't know how to rank a website. So basically what you do is come down here, you hit join today, and with this one, monthly average is of course $250, but top monthly earnings making $2,200. So between the three that showed us to pay, you're talking over $4,000 now. And of course, you don't need any experience or upfront investment. Freedom and flexibility, which is what we're all looking for, right? An informative online training program will introduce transcriptional portal and take you through the style guide after you have taken an exam to prove accuracy as transcribing audio following guidelines. You will be given short chunks of audio to transcribe, and you can begin earning and monetizing your downtime. We pay regular via PayPal, keep track of your earnings real time, know exactly how much how much has been accumulated to request payment at any time, and receive money in USDS via PayPal for all work completed on a weekly basis. So, you know, this one's a good one, fellas. And my favorite, which would be Transcribe Anywhere. The reason why I like this one so much is because they actually give you a 7 section mini course that is completely free in order to get onto theirs. See, you got self-paced course, video, tons of practice and multi-levels of difficulty, tips, tricks, step by step, from a 30-year veteran, lifetime support, updates, enroll in the free course, decide if transcription is good for you, choose a course, work diligently to become an excellent transcription, follow instructions to find work, and do excellent work and repeat. So like I said, this is a completely free course. All you have to do is go on and sign up. And of course, this is one of my favorite right here. Will I get rich? No, but you will reap the rewards of freedom found by working from home and performing work or challenging work. And all future updates are included. And of course, you got lifetime access to it. You know, you click on enroll, and of course now my computer's gonna be real slow, but you know, hey, give it a minute, we'll be there. So you got a 7-lesson mini course with Janet in here to teach you how to learn about Janet, your instruction, learn who uses transcriptionists, and 2 keys to success. We're busting the biggest myths about transcription, 10 signs you're not a good fit, how much you can earn as a transcriptionist, where does transcriptionist work come from, what you need to get started. And all you do is fill out here and enroll in the course. So, as I said before, I would show you a shortcut on how to do this. You know, if you've got a microphone or Bluetooth or whatever with your phone, whether you're running Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Granted, I'm running Google here. I'm on Google Docs. You know, in order to normally type, it'd be how to make money online in 2019, right? Well, if I click on the right thing. How? Okay, what's going on with my computer? How to make money online in 2019, right? That's normal way. Okay, but if you come up over where it says tools, click on it, come down here where it says voice typing, and click on the little microphone. Then it will record everything that you have to say. Even though I don't know why it's not working right now. My computer's working. Now it will record everything you have to say, and you have no problem typing 3 or 4 times faster than normal. Because you got to look at how long that took me to write to how long that took me to write. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe, share if you got value out of this, and if you look in the description, you'll find my #1 passive way of making income. Thanks.